High-Speed Blender is a sleek and powerful blender with a 1.5 peak horsepower motor and 1.5 liter Triton jar. I'm Bruce, a product developer for PADERNO. A high-performance blender needs to be powerful, simple to use, and easy to clean. With its selection of presets, which include manual and cleaning mode, it makes food prep and cleanup effortless. We've included many thoughtful presets for common blending and crushing tasks to eliminate the guesswork of when to pulse, when to blend, and for how long. You can customize and precisely control your blending by using the dynamic control dial to adjust the blend times and speed at any time. We designed these blenders with our Vortex Blade technology that continuously drive the food towards the blades, giving you ultra-smooth, delicious soups, smoothies, and evenly crushed ice every time. The ultra-clear 1.5 liter Triton jar is lightweight, shatter-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and has a large, comfortable handle that makes it easy to pour and hold. The integrated measuring cup in the lid makes it easy to both measure and add ingredients while blending. Two great details we've included in this blender are the self-clean mode to make cleanup effortless, and the drain holes at the bottom of the jar so water will drain out after washing. The PADERNO High-Speed Blender has a timeless design with a beautiful black steel finish that will look amazing on any kitchen counter. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO